Do you know that you can filter your chart in Power BI without using a slicer? Yes, and I'm sure you're wondering how. Well, just keep watching the video because I'm going to be sharing a quick tip on how to do this in less than 2 minutes. Without further ado, let us dive right into the video. Okay guys, so this is my dashboard. This is one of the projects I worked on at Amdari a few months ago. So I'm just going to be using this to explain how we can filter based on charts. So as you can see on this dashboard, there are no slicers here. I mean, I like the way my dashboard is looking, and I don't want it to be too crowded. So I decided not to add slicers. And of course, I can filter based on my chart. So why do I need slicers? Now let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's click on this chart, orders by channels. You can see it's all over the place. We are not really getting the visualization that we want. Let's click on this. Yeah, it's the same thing. So what I'm going to show you, if you click on dress, what my tip is going to do is that it's going to filter based on dress. So you're going to see it more like you're using a slicer. Let me just show you. So you just click on a chart, go to format tab, click on edit interactions, and then click on this first icon here, filter. That means you want to filter based on this. We are going to do the same here as well. Filter and filter. So what happens? Let me just clear this and see what happens. Yeah, so you can see filtered it for us. So on this chart now we have orders by channel. So we have people that orders in store and online. So if I just want to see for the ones in store, I'm just going to click on it here. And as you can see, like, it is filtered, like, guys. So yeah, we can just do it for the other ones. Come to format, edit interactions, filter, and filter. So if we just click on shoes, so this is my filter. I'm just going to see it for men, for women. I mean, this is just great, guys. This is for both men and women. As you can see, sales by subcategory, we have for men, we have for women. If you want to filter based on men alone, you're just going to click on this. For women alone, you click on this. And for both men and women, you click on shoes. I want to see for both of them. Let's just unselect this and let's okay, so this one is not currently active for these two. That's because we've not edited the interaction. So let's just do that. Click on filter, and then as you can see, my secret tip is working. So yes, guys, this is it. This is my tip. Like, you don't need slicers. If you just want to, you just want a very concise dashboard with no slicers, just your chart, you can just use your chart as the filters. No stress. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like, comment, share to your friends, your family, your colleagues, your enemies. And yeah, if you're not a subscriber yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.